In this video, I'll be backtesting a 5-minute scalping strategy founded by Infinity Trading Strategies. We'll be testing it 100 times using EURUSD to see if this really works. So for this strategy, we're only going to be needing 2 indicators. So let's go to the indicators tab. And for the first indicator, search the Witcher 30-minute alerts, and it's going to be by this user here. Now, once loaded, it's going to look like this. So we need to make some adjustments in the settings. And we're going to uncheck all the boxes apart from long X1 and short X1. And we're also going to change the color of long X1 to green and the color of short X1 to a different red. Now let's go to inputs and scroll down until scalping, and we're going to change the scalping length from 6 to 10. And the fast EMA length from 10 to 5. So in this system, we're going to be using this indicator for our entry signals, and it'll print a green triangle when it's time for a long entry, and it'll print a red triangle when it's time for a short entry. So let's go and get our directional indicator. And for this, we need the smoothed moving average. Now let's double click on its settings and change the length from 7 to 10. Now normally we change the settings to 200 since that's the overall direction of the market, but the 10 moving average is used to identify short-term trends. So when we're above this purple line, we're in a bullish short-term trend, and when we are below the purple line, we're in a sell short-term trend. So let's go over the exact entry criteria. Okay, so this is your entry criteria when looking for long positions. First, we need to make sure we're above the purple line, signifying we're in a bullish structural market. Then we're going to wait for our entry signal, which is a green triangle to appear. But for this to be a valid entry signal, the candle above the green triangle must also be a bullish candle. Now, if it was a bearish candle, we would not be taking this trade. So as we can see here, we have a bullish candle, so we can take the instant execution with the stop loss directly below the most recent swing low, and we target a 1.5 risk to reward. And as you can see, we would have hit the take profit. So now let's go and take a look at another long example. So as we can see here, we're above the 10 moving average, which means we're in a short-term bullish structural market. And secondly, we have our entry signal, which is the green triangle, and we have verified the entry signal by making sure we had a bullish candle directly above the triangle. So we can take this as an instant execution, a stop loss below the most recent swing low, and we target the 1.5 risk to rewards. Okay, so we just hit the take profit. So now it's going to take a look at the short criteria. So this is your entry criteria when looking to take short positions. First, we need to make sure we're below the purple moving average, signifying to us we're in a sell structural market. Then we're going to wait for our entry signal, which is a red triangle to appear. But we need to verify this entry signal by checking that there was also a bearish candle underneath our entry signal. And as we can see here, this was a bearish candle directly beneath the triangle. And in this scenario, we had a bullish candle that was printed underneath the entry signal, which means this would be an invalid trade. So we can go ahead and take the instant execution, stop loss above the swing high, and targets a 1.5 risk to rewards. Okay, so now I'm going to take a look at another short example. So as we can see here, price is trading below the moving average, which means we're in a sell structural market. So then we needed to wait for our entry signal, which is a red triangle to appear. But we need to verify this entry signal and make sure we also have a bearish candle directly beneath our triangle. So as we can see here, we have our bearish candle, and we can take the instant execution with the stop loss above the most recent swing high and targeting a 1.5 risk to rewards. Okay, so initial impressions of this strategy, it seems super easy to do. So now I'm going to go and back test this 100 times and come back to you with the results. So in 5 months, I took 100 trades, 52 won and 48 lost, and it had a max drawdown of 4R and a max gain of 9R. So that was positive, as well as the win rate when going for a 1.5 risk to rewards, checking out. Now the net profit was 30% in 5 months, which is a solid result considering this strategy is super simple and beginner friendly. Now one quick note I would make is the fact that you could actually increase your return, because a lot of the times the wins go far greater than a 1.5 risk to reward, so I would play with the return. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and like always, thank you for watching.